Alright, in this part of this video, I would like to show you another form of transformation, but you can't see it among these tool here. You can only type it out here and use it. So this time around is shearing. How do you shear as a transformation? This is another transformation tool you will enjoy teaching your children in Geogebra. It's actually a tool that explains how parallelogram is being formed. Let me just make a simple polygon, a four-sided shape. Just watch what will happen as I demonstrate this one. Alright, so let's take this as our rectangle. Okay, so take note of the names of all the parts. Let me leave this name this time around. Let me not hide all this because I may need them as a line. So just come here, type shear. Before you finish typing it, shear will appear. You can see it. And if you observe, it's telling you to do what? When you want to shear an object, you need the object to shear. You need a line, then you need a ratio. Remember, I would like to make it a dynamic. So before I do anything, let me create my line and my ratio. So let's remove this. Okay. So I can actually use any line on this object, or I can create a line. Let me use a segment as my line. So just create any line using this segment so that I can move it around, can move this segment line around. It's good I use it. Alright, then for the ratio, I need a slider. So let's remember, I'll leave the name of the slider as E. So I want this one to increase by 0.1. Let's just leave it as -5 minimum and +5 maximum. Okay, so we are good to go now. Now come here, type your shear, click on this. So first, what is the name of this object? This object, the name is Q1. You will always know the name. In case you don't know the name of the object, just come to this place. Just click, you see it. This is the object. So click on it, it will disappear. That's how you know the object in the algebra view. So Q1 is the name of this object. Then go back and finish your command. Just click on it. So shear, Q1 is the object. So which line do you want to shear about? I need this line. The name of this line, you can see it is F. So F is the name of this line, which is this. So I need it as F. So just type F in this place. Then at what ratio do you want to shear it? I will use this slider to explain it. So E is the ratio. Just come here, put your E, then put your enter. By doing this, you have already sheared this object. So you can see it. So as you move the slider, you can see you are shearing. Now that is 0 is positioned in that way. Let me put this point in one edge of the rectangle. Now as I shear, let me move it gradually. You can see that a parallelogram has been formed. You can see it. So you are shearing this object along this line. So you see the way it's shearing. So you can shear like this or like this. So that is that. So let me move the line out of this place. Let me move this out. So if I move this line, let me turn it horizontally. That's one beauty of GeoGebra. You can actually make your class dynamic. If I put it here, see you can share it along this line. So if you are teaching parallelogram, this sharing will really help you to give the children some of the properties of parallelogram, especially the height. The height of a parallelogram does not change irrespective of where the top slide up to. So you can slide it to any point. So you can see it. So that is one beauty of transformation. So this is a transformation tool using shear in your classroom. Don't forget shear, SHEAR. I should type it in the command tool in the algebra view, it will appear. So this is all I have for this video. This is all. You can move this line. This line, you can move it anywhere. You can make it at an angle. You can shear it at an angle. See the way it's being sheared at an angle. So that is that. So explore in your class and let your children understand maths easily and fun for them. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.